Good morning, students. So we continue with the chapter alkynes. और लास्ट लेक्चर में हम लोगों ने ये चैप्टर में इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ अल्काइंस कंप्लीट किया है. Along with that, we have completed methods of preparation of alkynes. Okay. So today, with this particular concept, we'll end up the chapter, that is the chemical properties of alkynes. In that, the first category, as we know that in chemical properties we always study the different types of chemical reaction which are shown by that particular organic compound. Okay, and here we have that organic compound is alkynes. Addition reactions also we have studied in the chapter alkenes. Okay, but there is a difference between the addition reaction of alkenes and alkynes. Now look here, the first reaction. This is a reaction of addition of hydrogen, okay, to an alkyne, which is also called as reduction reaction of alkynes. If the reduction reaction for alkynes is incomplete reduction will give you an alkene, okay, under suitable conditions. If we want to obtain alkene from alkyne, okay, so the first step will give us alkene, okay, which is incomplete reduction, and complete reduction will give you an alkane. So here we have ethyne, and the final product obtained here is an alkane. After complete reduction of ethyne we get ethane. Second addition reaction is addition of an halo acid to an alkyne. Again the example is ethyne undergoing addition reaction with an halo acid which is hydrochloric acid here, HCl. Simple है. Okay, how to show the reduction reaction? Hydrogen gets added here to this carbon and chlorine will get added to this carbon atom, and we get the intermediate CH2 double bond CHCl. Okay, this particular group here, CH double bond CH2, is called vinyl. Okay, that's why this intermediate name will be vinyl chloride. But in this molecule unsaturation is still there, and we know that if in a molecule there is unsaturation, okay, present, then one more step of addition of HCl we can write here. Okay, we add one more molecule of HCl and hydrogen gets again added to this carbon atom, okay, and chlorine to the first carbon atom here. Okay, so we get 1,1 dichloro compound. 1,1 dichloro compound in this particular reaction. So these are the two main addition reactions in this chapter for alkynes. Now very important reaction coming up here is a reaction which is showing the acidic character of alkynes. Look at this example. यहाँ पे ethyne. Again we have taken ethyne. And what is this compound? NaNH2. Sodamide. Okay, it is called sodamide. Okay. Now, what is happening here? Try to understand what is the product and how this particular reaction will help us to understand whether ethyne, the alkyne here, is acidic or not. Now the product obtained here is sodium acetylide. Okay, sodium acetylide is a salt obtained here of ethyne, and we get ammonia gas. Ammonia. So what has happened here? Hydrogen from ethyne is transferred to NH2 group. Bond breaks here. Sodium gets added to this carbon atom. Okay, we get this particular salt and NH3. But the main thing that we have to understand here is ethyne is able to donate hydrogen to this part of chordamide forming NH3, and donating hydrogen is nothing but acidic character for that particular compound. That's why ethyne is showing acidic character, that will come to know with the reaction. The next category of the reaction here is oxidation reaction, more important. अब यहाँ पे दो कंडीशंस है. ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट यहाँ पे है KMnO4, पोटेशियम परमैंगनेट, ओके, एंड अल्कलाइन KMnO4 in cold condition. Okay, so reaction of ethyne, okay, with alkaline, cold alkaline KMnO4, since it is under the heading oxidation, of course आपको ये बात तो पता है कि कहीं ना कहीं रिएक्शन में ऑक्सीजन तो होना चाहिए ना. तो आप सोचेंगे कि अल्कलाइन KMnO4 अगर रिएजेंट है तो वो क्यों नहीं डायरेक्टली रिएक्ट होते हैं, बिकॉज क्यों नहीं रिएक्ट हो सकते, बिकॉज अल्कलाइन KMnO4 जैसे वर्ड दिख रहा है आपको अल्कलाइन, सो KMnO4 इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ एनी अल्कली विल प्रोड्यूस नेसेंट ऑक्सीजन. ये स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट में ऑक्सीजन है मतलब क्या है, नेसेंट ऑक्सीजन है, ओके, विच इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एटॉमिक ऑक्सीजन. तो नेसेंट ऑक्सीजन यहाँ पे कितने हैं, 4, ओके, विल रिएक्ट विद इथाइन. ये सिंपल एडिशन रिएक्शन है, ओके. ऑल द 4 ऑक्सीजन गेट्स एडेड हियर बिटवीन C and H, COOH, COOH, ओके. यहाँ पे आपको एक डाई कार्बोक्सिलिक ग्रुप वाला एक कंपाउंड मिलता है जिसका नाम है ऑक्सैलिक एसिड, ओके. So very important reaction. Now second one, condition different है. Reaction with hot alkaline KMnO4, reagent same है, but the temperature is high. Hot alkaline KMnO4. Because of high temperature, okay, we are not able to see the reaction like this what we have seen. High temperature, there is a decomposition here, okay. There is a decomposition of ethyne molecule, okay, and 4 nascent oxygen again produced by the reaction between KMnO4 and alkali, but in hot condition, temperature is high, and that's why you will get acidic acid CH3COOH. 2 oxygens are added here, bond breaks here, okay, and okay, this hydrogen gets added to COH group here, and you will get carbon, and remaining 2 oxygens from here will form carbon dioxide. So understand the reaction properly, how you are getting the products, why the molecule is decomposing here, okay. Conditions are different here, the temperature is high, of course there will be, okay, decomposition of this particular ethyne here, and the products are different. Now we have important class of the reaction shown by unsaturated hydrocarbon. This reaction we have also studied in the chapter alkenes, polymerization reaction. In the chapter alkene we have studied polymerization of ethene. So polymerization of ethene में हमको क्या मिला था, polyethene. Here we have 3 molecules of ethane, one, ये, one, second, third. These 3 molecules of ethane will get added to each other in proper condition, okay, of temperature and pressure, okay. And what is happening here, see, look at this bond here, triple bond, first molecule, okay. The shifting of the one of the triple bond here, okay, and then we get the final product which is benzene, okay. This bond is shifted here, then it is single bond, so 2 bonds are remaining here, see, carbon, carbon, same way here, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond. So we get a very important class of hydrocarbon here, which is aromatic hydrocarbon, benzene, okay. So one more chapter we have in your syllabus where we are going to study this particular compound benzene in detail. And last part for today, distinguishing test for alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. आपको मैं एक ही टेस्ट बताऊंगा Second test you can easily understand from my notes. So here reaction with bromine. Alkanes won't react with bromine since they are saturated. Alkenes and alkynes will give you these two products. With bromine, alkenes will give you dibromoalkanes and alkynes will give you tetrabromoalkanes. So with this particular chemical test you can easily distinguish whether the given hydrocarbon is an alkane, alkene or alkyne. So this was the overall concept for today's lecture. Okay, just go through this particular part which is taught today, the chemical properties of alkynes. Uses of alkynes you will directly get from the text. Okay, you can directly revise, and also I have given in my notes. Any doubts you can ask. Okay, so that's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.